Ever wondered about the health benefits of pomelo? Welcome to a journey where we unravel the secrets of this remarkable citrus fruit. Originating from Southeast Asia, the pomelo, also known as the giant of the citrus world, is renowned for its unique taste and myriad health benefits. Packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, this fruit is a powerhouse of nutrition. So whether you're a health enthusiast or simply a lover of all things citrus, the pomelo has something for you. Stay tuned to discover more about this miraculous citrus fruit. Now let's unearth the numerous health benefits of pomelo. This giant citrus fruit is more than just a tangy delight. It is jam-packed with goodness that can boost your overall health in more ways than one. Firstly, pomelo is a champion when it comes to boosting immunity. It's brimming with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in strengthening your body's natural defenses. A single pomelo can meet more than a whole day's requirement of this essential vitamin, helping you fend off common illnesses and enhancing your body's ability to repair itself. Next up is digestion. Pomelo is rich in dietary fiber, a component known for promoting a healthy digestive system. Consuming fiber-rich foods like pomelo can help maintain regular bowel movements, prevent constipation, and even reduce the risk of certain digestive conditions. Then we have heart health. Pomelo is also a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps control blood pressure levels. This, in combination with the heart-friendly fiber, can contribute to reducing the risk of heart disease. Lastly, if you're aiming for weight loss, pomelo could be your new best friend. It's low in calories, high in fiber, and can help you feel full for longer. This means you can satisfy your sweet cravings without worrying about packing on the pounds. Indeed, pomelo is not just a tasty treat, but a powerhouse of health benefits. So the next time you're in the fruit aisle, don't forget to grab a pomelo or two. Your body will thank you. So to sum up the magic of pomelo, let's revisit the key points we've discussed. This humble citrus fruit, often overlooked, is packed full of health benefits. From being a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, to its potential to boost immunity and heart health, pomelo is a true superfood. Its high fiber content can aid in digestion and potentially help in weight management. Plus, it's a delicious way to stay hydrated given its high water content. Moreover, the pomelo's versatility in the kitchen is another reason to incorporate it into your diet. It adds a zesty punch to salads, a refreshing twist to drinks, and an exotic touch to desserts. But remember, as with anything, moderation is key. Enjoy the pomelo's benefits, but don't overdo it. Let it be a part of a balanced, varied diet. Remember, a pomelo a day can keep the doctor away. Subscribe to The Altruist for more exciting health secrets.